Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 5. I hope all of you are fine. I'm your science teacher. You already know that we are on unit number 1, that is classification of living thing. Okay, so many topics related to this chapter we already discussed. So today we will discuss the classification of animals. Now, animals are divided into two main groups on the basis of presence of their backbone. Okay, those animals which do not have backbone, these are called as invertebrates, and those animals which have backbone, these are called as vertebrates. Okay, so in our previous videos we already discussed the characteristics and examples of different invertebrates. So today our main topic is vertebrates. So we will discuss the groups of vertebrates and animals included in this group and their characteristics. Okay, so vertebrates are those animals which have backbone. Okay, vertebrates are those animals which have backbone, and they are further classified in five main groups. These are vertebrates. First main group is the fish, amphibian, reptile, birds and mammal. Okay, these are five groups of vertebrate: fish, amphibian, reptile, birds and mammals. Now first group is fish. Okay, fish are vertebrates that live in water. It means fish are vertebrates, mean fish have backbone and they live in water. All fish breathe through gills. Okay, look at in this picture, this pink color structure that is called as the gills, and fish respire, fish breathe with the help of these gills. Okay. Then most fish have a skin covered with scales. Okay, so look at this, all the body of this fish is covered with the scales. Okay, so scale protect their body, their skin. Okay, so their bodies are covered with the scales, and nearly all fish have fins to swim, to help them to swim. Okay, so look at here, all these are the fins. Okay, so there are different names of fins like pelvic fins, pectoral fins, anal fins. All these fins are present, and with the help of these fins fish swim in water. Then young fish hatches from soft eggs, and the soft eggs are called as the spawns. Okay, look at here, it's a jelly like soft eggs. There is no outermost covering of these eggs. So the new young fish hatch out from these eggs. Okay, so fish are vertebrates. They live in water. They breathe with their lungs. Their body is covered with scales. They have fins for swimming. And young fish are called fry. Okay, they hatch from the soft eggs, and the soft eggs of fish are called as the spawns. Okay, all these are the characteristics of the fish group. Okay, and all fishes are included in this group of vertebrate. Okay. Now, second group of vertebrate is amphibian. Okay, amphibians. An amphibian is a vertebrate that spends part of its life in water and parts of its life on land. Okay, so it's mean in this group those organisms are included. They live on land as well as in water. Okay, so they live in both type of habitat. They live in water as well as on land. They have backbone. Okay, so amphibians are vertebrates. They are having backbone. They spend their life in water as well as on land. Few pictures are given here like frog, toad, salamander, newts. All are the examples of the amphibian. When amphibians are young, they live in water and breathe through gills like fish. Okay, and when they grow older, they develop lungs to survive on the land. Okay, if we see the life cycle of frog, so frog, they lay their eggs in water. Okay, so they lay their egg in water, and a baby frog that is called as tadpole, they hatch out from these eggs, and they spend their early life in water. Okay, they swim in water. They use their gills for the breathing purposes. Okay, until they become adult, they spend their life in water, and when they become adult, they develop their lungs, and then they are able to survive on the land. Okay, so the animals, they are included in amphibian. They live in both type of habitat. They live in water as well as on land. Okay, so in frog, tadpole, they spend tadpole, they live in water, they swim in water, they breathe in water with the help of gills until they become adult. Then their lungs develop, and then they start breathing with the help of their lungs on the land. Most amphibians have smooth skin, but some toads are covered with warts. Okay, so some amphibian like frog, their skin is very smooth, and some amphibian, they have rough skin like the toads. A thick slimy substance called mucus protect the skin and help to keep it moist. Okay, so it's mean skin of some amphibians are moist and slippery skin in case of frog. So that is because of this mucus, and the purpose of this mucus is to protect the skin, and they keep their skin moist. Amphibian eggs are called spawns, and they are soft because they have no shell. Okay, so it's mean these eggs are not surrounded by any shell. They have soft eggs, and they lay their eggs in water. Okay, so all these are the characteristics of the amphibians, and we have example of amphibian like frog and toad. Third main group of vertebrates are reptiles. Okay, so all these are the pictures of the reptiles: lizard, snake, crocodiles, alligator, turtle. All these are the reptiles. Okay, they belong to group that are called reptiles. All of organism included in this group have backbone. Okay, they have backbone. Because of that, they are vertebrates, and all these animals are included in reptiles. Now let's see the characteristics of reptiles. They have dry skin. Okay, it's mean their skin is dry. They have scales on their skins, and they breathe with the help of their lungs. Okay, they have dry and scaly skins, and they breathe with the help of their lungs, and they lay eggs on land. The eggs of some reptiles have leathery shells, while other are hard like the birds. Okay, so both type of eggs are laid by the reptiles. Some reptiles lay leathery shells egg, and some lay eggs that are hard like the bird egg. Okay, and they have dry and scaly skin, and they breathe with the help of their lungs. So in this group of vertebrates, all birds are included. Okay, so the name of this group is bird. Okay, so birds are only animal with the feathers. Okay, they have feathers, and these are vertebrates, and all birds are included in this group. Okay, so you can easily see pictures of different birds on your screen. Now all birds have wings, but not all of them can fly. Okay, so it's mean all birds are included in this group, but they are further divided in different groups. So in which some birds are flying birds. It's mean they have ability to fly, but some birds are not able to fly. These are called as the running birds. Okay, we have example of hen, we have example of ostrich. You can easily see in these pictures. Okay, and those birds which are flying birds, they can travel faster than any other animals. Okay, they have wings. With the help of wings, they can easily fly. Okay, in birds, lungs are present for the breathing, and all birds hatches from the eggs. Okay, so it's mean birds, they lay egg, and new babies come out from that eggs, and the female usually lay her eggs in its nest. Okay, so in nest they lay their eggs, the newborn babies come out from that eggs, and they breathe with the help of their lungs. And we have different groups of birds. Some birds are the running birds, and some birds are the flying birds. Okay, so all birds are included in this group that are the vertebrate, and all birds have backbone. Now the parent birds feed and protect the young birds until they can look after themselves. Okay, So when these babies hatch out from the eggs, these are very small, these are weak. So their parents bird feed them and protect their young birds. Okay, so look at here how they feed their young ones. Okay, so they feed them, they protect them until these birds grow, and then they start protecting themselves. Okay. Now we have last group of vertebrate, that are mammals. Okay, mammals, that is the last group of vertebrate: cat, dogs, goats, horses, monkey, giraffes, elephant, whales, dolphins. All these are the mammals. Okay, few more examples are here: zebra, lion, walrus, mouse, giraffe, koala, deer, bear, dog, dolphin, wolf. All organisms, all these animals are the mammals. Okay, let's see the characteristics of the mammals. So mammals are covered with fur, hair, and bristle. Okay, so it's mean outer body of these mammals or their skin are covered with the furs, hair, or bristles, and they breathe through their lungs. Okay, you can easily see that lungs are present. These are protected by rib cage, and we can easily breathe in and breathe out with the help of these lungs. Okay, so all mammals, we are also mammal, human beings are also mammal. Okay, so lungs are present in the body of the mammal, because of that they can breathe. Now a female mammal give birth to babies and feed them on milk. Okay, so mammals, that characteristics only present in the mammals. They give birth to the live babies, and their babies feed on that, on their milk. Okay, you are also a mammal. Yes, human beings are mammal. Okay, so humans, they have hair, they breathe air, they have backbone, they are warm-blooded, and they give birth to live babies. So all these characteristics shows that humans are the mammals. So all these animals you are on your screen, all these animals are the mammals. Okay, so mammals are a large group of organisms. They are having backbone. They give birth to their live babies. They feed their young ones on milk. Okay, so all these are the characteristics of the mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals or organisms. Human beings are also mammals, and all these pictures you can see on your screen, these all are the mammals. I hope all of you understand the characteristics of different group of vertebrates. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.